I've got an FNP 45 Tactical. Got my hands on one. I've had quite a few requests to look at more FNs and almost any FNs. We don't have much with FNs at all, and we've got a nice one here. This is one that the FN submitted for the U.S. trials that were supposed to have taken place. I think all that got shelved for a while, and they decided not to look at a new pistol for the U.S. military perhaps for a while. But this is the reason this one was developed, as I understand, and it is a fine gun. It's in 45 ACP. It is called Tactical because it is rather tactical. You've got all the stuff that most of us would consider very tactical. You can even put a red dot sight on very easily, and we'll talk about that. You've even got a threaded barrel. You know, you got the extension ready for a silencer, which we had one. That's standard, comes with it. Let's take it over here and take a look on the table. It is clear, but it has everything virtually is ambidextrous. You know, your mag release, your decocker, slide lock controls. It's you can be a lefty with this gun and not even notice it. It's a dandy. It's a dandy. Let me show you the other side, just to prove I was telling you the truth. So you've got all your controls on either side of it. Pretty cool. It has a stainless slide, I think, a stainless barrel, and this one is in the flat dark earth. Now apparently they didn't get this earth from Tennessee. It had a little more red in it, but that's what they call it, flat dark earth. And